The pairs, either or, and neither nor, are correlative conjunctions. They connect words, phrases, or clauses that are grammatically similar. Either or. We use either or to show a choice between two alternatives. For example, for this recipe, I need either 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. He can be contacted either by phone or by email. It was either Alan or Ian who sent the package. You can either stay at home or come with me. I usually brew either tea or coffee. Neither nor. Neither nor is the negative form of either or. It connects two or more alternatives that are not true. For example, neither my father nor my mother lived in London. Your method is neither simple nor effective. We brewed neither tea nor coffee. After neither, we use nor, not, or. She could neither read nor write. Neither nor is not used with another negative word. He speaks neither Spanish nor French. When neither nor or either or connects two single subjects, the verb should be single. However, if the second subject is plural, the verb should be plural. Neither my wife nor my daughter is vegetarian. Neither my wife nor my children are vegetarian. Both and. When each of two alternatives is true or possible, we use the conjunction both and. For example, both he and his wife enjoyed the party. I've lived in both Russia and Ukraine. Both coffee and tea are good for you. Both and. Two alternatives are possible. Either or. Choice between two alternatives. Neither nor. None of the choices.